Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this, we're going to do the Battlegrounds mobile game 1.7 version 90 FPS test in the POCO X3 Pro device. As you can see friends, right now I'm trying to use the POCO X3 Pro device at this moment. You can clearly see with the Snapdragon 860 chipset. Let's see how will be the performance regarding the Battlegrounds mobile game. That's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. Let me do quickly connect the gaming triggers, which is the Realme gaming triggers at this moment, which I'm trying to use. So right now I'm trying to use a config file, and as you can see, even there's a settings which not changed in this POCO X3 Pro, but still you can actually see the 90 FPS option as well, which is working at this moment. So make sure to join my Telegram group in case if you want to download the config file and how to get as well. So, but overall you'll be able to get 90 FPS working successfully. Even you can see the game turbo FPS meter as well. Let me just show you game turbo FPS meter. And right now you should be able to see the 90 FPS displaying here. As you can see, this is a new type of game turbo which I did install in this moment in the POCO X3 Pro device. And right now, as you can see, you should be able to see exactly 90 FPS coming. As you can see, 90 FPS, which will be displaying at this moment. 8990. And while playing the Battlegrounds mobile game, I did face this kind of issues regarding the mistouch issues. Sometimes random it's kind of mistouching. It's not working that fine regarding the touch in the POCO X3 Pro device. Right now you will be able to see exactly FPS 89 and 88. We're going to slightly keep the volume. So right now, as you can see, friends, 88 and 81, 98, no problem. So regarding maintaining the FPS, it's kind of maintaining really well. 87 and 88. So 89, 90. I'll try to do the even drop test as well in the Pochanki or boot camp. As you can see, it's not bad. So definitely it was able to play really good, no issues till now. So right now I'm trying to do the drop test in the boot camp. Let's see how well the boot camp will be able to handle the 90 FPS. So that's what I'm going to demonstrate, friends. And you might be wondering why I'm not using the other Realme trigger. The main reason is because if I try to use this Realme trigger, what's happening is that there's some kind of automatic touch issues, some kind of issues I'm facing with this kind of triggers. I'm not sure why. So regarding this gameplay, as soon as I start using some kind of weird touch problems, sometimes randomly I'm trying to face the problem. That's the reason I did not try to use this Realme trigger before. As you can see, randomly it's kind of detecting. Let's see, friends, how will the FPS drop during this time of testing. As you can see, randomly the buttons were pressing. So let me remove this one and press it. So right now, let's see, friends, how is the FPS drop test going to be there in the boot camp exactly. So right now I'm trying to drop and try to focus on the FPS meter as well. So that will be the really good advantage. So right now it's kind of maintaining around 88, 89, 91, 87, 70, 67 is the lowest value which we did see. 67 is the lowest value. As you can see friends, clearly not bad. 67 is the lowest value which we did see here. And it's maintaining around close to 88 and 84. It's maintaining not bad regarding the FPS. 88 it's maintaining. Definitely friends, once we get the official update, that will be really good to see. The phone will be able to capable of playing at least kind of close to 90. So let me just start using these triggers. Now you'll be able to understand exactly what will happen if I try to use a trigger. So is a left side trigger. So let me try to connect. So right now it's connected, and let's try to use right side trigger. Right, not bad. Right now it's kind of working. I think let me try to start. So randomly I'm trying to detect sometimes mistouch problems I'm trying to detect using this kind of triggers. That's the reason I did not use them in the first place. So right now let's see friends what will happen with the gameplay at this moment. And in case if you want me to do any other comparison, let me know in the comments. As you can see right now, the touch problem is there. I mean regarding the game triggers only, if I try to use them, I was unable to use them. As you can see friends clearly what's happening. So that's the reason I did not play using this kind of gaming triggers in the POCO X3 Pro device. Unfortunately, this is a problem. As you can see randomly. And during this process, let's see what's going on with the temperatures. How much high temperatures. So let's go to the battery options and let me show you what is the temperatures right now. It's showing about 39 degrees Celsius. On the outside, it's showing 37.8 degrees Celsius. On the back side, 34, 35.6. As you can see, 37, 38.6, 38.4 on the back side. So that's it friends, thank you for watching. This is a quick battery mobile game 90 FPS test on the POCO X3 Pro device for some time. And in case if you want me to do complete battery draining test using 90 FPS, let me know in the comments. Definitely I'll try to plan playing with the 90 FPS as soon as possible. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, bye.